Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the CheapOair app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. CheapOair is a travel booking app designed to help users find affordable flights, hotels, and car rentals across the globe. The app provides quick search filters, fare alerts, and exclusive mobile-only deals, making it easier for travelers to save money. Users can manage bookings, earn rewards through CheapOair's loyalty program, and access 24/7 customer support directly from the app. Its simple interface allows for easy comparisons, making trip planning convenient for budget-conscious travelers. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate CheapOair's wide range of flight options, competitive prices, and convenient mobile deals. The fare alert feature is especially useful for catching discounts, and the rewards program can add extra value for frequent travelers. Having customer support available anytime is also seen as a strong advantage for resolving last-minute travel issues. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report that additional service fees can make the cheap fares less attractive once the final cost is calculated. Others mention occasional glitches, delays in refunds, or inconsistent customer service experiences. While it's great for finding deals quickly, it may not always provide the absolute lowest prices compared to other platforms. In summary, the CheapOair app may be worth using if you want a convenient way to find budget-friendly flights, hotels, and rentals with added perks like fare alerts and rewards. However, if you're concerned about extra fees or prefer more consistent customer support, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.